एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट है सोशल साइंस, चैप्टर है 5। आज आपका ये न्यू चैप्टर है, 4 चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं। आज मैं आपको 5 चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करवाऊंगी और इसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो भी साथ में करवा दूँगी, ठीक है। नंबर 1, सॉरी पहले चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करवा देती हूँ। There is geographical information in this unit. It is necessary that students gather information about the latitudes and longitudes of their own villages. Knowledge about the pole star is also given in this unit. Here information about the latitudes and longitudes as well as the international date line is given. Along with the new technology, mobile phones are used to know about the time of different countries. Attempt to give information about the local time and the standard time towards appreciation. The information given under the title "Let us do activity and learn" makes the teaching more interesting. Students get the knowledge easily under things to know. Special information is given. It is accepted that the student is the globe and the atlas. This image not only gives information but also attempt to give practical knowledge. With the help of the world map, fill up the table of the eastern countries and the western countries. अब ईस्टर्न कंट्रीज कौन सी है? इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, ईरान, इराक, अफगानिस्तान, बांग्लादेश, म्यांमार, थाईलैंड, चाइना, जापान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, सिंगापुर, रशिया, मंगोलिया, इंडोनेशिया, मलेशिया, न्यूजीलैंड, यूक्रेन, फ्रांस, जर्मनी, इटाली, ग्रीस, इजिप्ट, उगांडा, केन्या, साउथ अफ्रीका, एक्सेट्रा। वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज यूएसए, कनाडा, मेक्सिको, वेस्ट इंडीज, पोर्चुगल, ब्राजील, वेनेजुएला, चिली, फिर कौन सी है? लिबेरिया, इवोरी, अलास्का, ग्रीनलैंड, पनामा, कोलंबिया, पेरू, बोलिविया, गुयाना एंड सूरिनाम। ये वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज है। और अभी आपको मैं इसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं वो करवा देती हूँ। नंबर 1, हाउ मच टाइम डज वन लॉन्गिट्यूड टेक टू पास बाय द सन? तो इसका आंसर आएगा, turn on the earth is decided with the help of the longitudes. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are total of 360 longitudes. Thus 15 longitudes passed by the sun in 1 hour. So every longitude takes 4 minutes to pass by the sun. Draw circle and draw latitudes on it. आपको draw circle ड्रॉ करना है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, ड्रॉ सर्कल एंड ड्रॉ लॉन्गिट्यूड्स ऑन इट। आपको लॉन्गिट्यूड्स ड्रॉ करना है और इसमें लेटीट्यूड, ठीक है। अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हाट इज द लेटीट्यूड ऑफ दिस कंट्री इन रिलेशन टू द ओ लैटिट्यूड? यूएसए, ब्राज़ील, रशिया, नॉर्वे, यूनाइटेड किंगडम। इसका आंसर आएगा कंट्री, डायरेक्शन, कंट्री एंड डायरेक्शन। कंट्री आएगी यूएसए, ब्राज़ील, रशिया। डायरेक्शन आएगा नॉर्थ, साउथ, नॉर्थ। और कंट्री आएगी नॉर्वे, नॉर्वे का नॉर्थ, यूनाइटेड किंगडम नॉर्थ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, विद द हेल्प ऑफ मोबाइल फोन फाइंड द नेम ऑफ सिटीज इन various countries which are ahead or behind the Greenwich line. Dhaka ahead, Atlanta behind, Chicago behind, Nairobi ahead or India ahead. Next question है which circle lays on the zero latitude? The imaginary horizontal line passing through the middle of the globe is named as O latitude. It is also known as equator. It is complete circle. Its length is about 14,000 kilometers. It divides the earth into two parts, the north and south. Number 1, what is latitude? Give information about major latitudes. तो आंसर आएगा the imaginary lines drawn east west on the globe are called latitudes. Number 1, latitudes are parallel to each other. Number 2, equator is the largest latitude passing through the middle of the globe. Its length is approximately 14,000 kilometers. Number 3, Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle are located to the north of equator. Number 4, Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle are located into the south of the equator. There are 181 latitudes including the equator. कितनी latitudes हैं? 181. State the uses of latitudes. Answer है with the help of latitude, temperature and the location of any place can be known. North-south location of any place. Zero latitude is the equator. It is in the middle of the globe. It divides the globe into two equal halves. In northern half is known as northern hemisphere, and the southern half is known as southern hemisphere. India is located between 8 and 237 degrees north latitude. Temperature. General information about the temperature of different places on the surface of the earth can be obtained from the latitude. Sun rays fall straight over the places near the equator. Straight rays concentrate on smaller area and also pass through desert atmosphere, so they give more heat to equatorial region. Thus, higher the latitude, lower the temperature, and lower the latitude, higher the temperature. What is longitude? Give information about major longitude. The imaginary lines drawn north, south on the globe are called longitude. The longitude passing through Greenwich of London in England is called zero longitude. Number 2, there are a total of 360 longitudes. Number 3, distance between two longitudes increase by going away towards the north or south from the equator. Major longitudes. Number 1, Greenwich line. The zero longitudes passing through Greenwich in England is called Greenwich line. It makes two halves of the earth. International date line. The 180 longitude is called international date line. There is only one 180 longitude while going to west. After crossing this line, one date and 1 day are added while going to east after crossing this line. 1 date and 1 day are deducted. State the unity of longitudes. Answer है the east-west location and the time of any place can be known longitudes. East-west location of any place, the area from 0 line to the east up to 180 longitude, so is known as eastern hemisphere, while the area Greenwich line to the west up to 180 longitude is known as western hemisphere. India is located between 68 degree longitude to 97 degree east longitude in the eastern hemisphere. Time.
Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are a total of 360 longitudes, so 15 longitudes pass by the Sun in 1 hour. Every longitude takes about 4 minutes to pass by the Sun. Thus, there is a difference of 4 minutes between two successive longitudes. Thus, the time at different longitudes is different according to the longitude. The earth rotates from the west to east, so the eastern places come before the sun earlier and the western places came after. That is why the time of eastern places is ahead of the western places and the time of western places is behind the eastern places. ये आपके अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर इनकम्प्लीट है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसको कंप्लीट करवाऊंगी। ठीक है, ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसको लर्न करना है। थैंक यू।